So good morning students. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter number first, rational numbers. Before starting this chapter, let me recall you some previous topics. First is what? That is, what are natural numbers? क्या होते हैं natural numbers? The numbers which starts from 1, 2 and goes till infinity. वो नंबर जो 1, 2, 3 और इन्फाइनाइट तक जाते हैं वो कहलाते हैं क्या? नेचुरल नंबर. सेकेंड इज whole number. When we add 0 in this series, the series is called whole number. That is 0, 1, 2 till infinite. Now it is clear what are natural numbers and what are whole numbers. Now we will see what are integers. Integers are very important topic for rational numbers. Integers are the negative form of natural numbers, including 0 also. That means from minus infinity, 0 to plus infinity. Some examples of integers are minus 25, 7, 0, 1, 5, so on. Integers are of three types: positive integers, negative integers and neutral. First, positive integers. All the integers which comes with a positive signs are known as positive integers. That means 1, 2, 3, so on till infinity. The second one that are known as negative integers. The integers which comes with a negative sign. That means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on till minus infinity. And the third one, neutral one, as we all know, that is 0. For rational numbers we have to understand the integers, because after this we will see the rational number. What? Rational numbers. There are three conditions. If the number satisfies that three conditions, then we call that number as a rational numbers. Now what are the three conditions? First is what? The number should be written in the form of P by Q. Second, where P and Q are integers. What? Integers. And the third one, Q is not equal to 0. That means the denominator part, that is not equal to 0. If a number satisfies all the three conditions, then the number is called rational number. Let me tell you some examples. 3 by 2. We will check if this number satisfies all the three conditions, then the number is called rational numbers. 3 by 2. 3 and 2 both are positive integers. Both are written in the form of P by Q. Both are positive integers, and the denominator value, the below value, that is not 0. That means it is a rational number. Second example, minus 5 upon 11. First condition, that the number is written in the form of P by Q. Yes, it is written in the form of P by Q. Second condition, P and Q both are integers. Yes, it is a negative integer and it is a positive integer. Third condition, the Q is not equal to 0. The lower value, it is not equal to 0. That means he has successfully passed all the three conditions. That means it is a rational number. Now tell me one thing. 0 is a rational number or what? Yes, 0 is a rational number. If in the denominator no value is there, we will consider 1. Now check, we will check this number from these values. It is written in the form of P by Q. Yes. Second condition, P and Q both are integers. Yes. It is a neutral integers. It is a positive integers. Third one, Q is not equal to 0. हमें नीचे की वैल्यू 0 नहीं चाहिए, ऊपर 0 एक्सेप्ट होगा. That means it is a rational number. But if you will write 1 by 0 or minus 31 by 0, these are not rational numbers, because they will not satisfy the third condition. Q is not equal to 0. ठीक? These are the examples. 3 by 2, minus 5 by 7, 11 by 8, 3, 3 is also a rational number. How? I told you, if a number satisfies all the three conditions, then it is called a rational number. If no one is there, we will write 1. 3 by 1, it is written in the form of p by q. Second condition, both are integers. Yes, both are positive integers. Third condition, q is not equal to 0. That means a normal number is also a rational number. Now we will see the one more topic, that is equivalent